Welcome back to another Gale Bearers Repairs. Today I'm just going to re-secure a heat shield on my exhaust for my upcoming MLT. Right, let's get on with it. I'm down underneath the rear of the car, look. So there's the spare wheel well, and here's the rattle that I've got. You see the heat shield, it's just a heat shield for the exhaust to prevent the heat going up into the boot. But they corrode away, these little nuts, they're known for it. So I've just got to re-secure that look, on those two. I'm going to do that. These are well corroded, look. They are life expired. I'm going to chisel them off or cut them off or something, and I'm going to drill out new. I've got the boot floor and all my junk removed, and you can see here there's the spot weld marks, a little raised section there, so I can just drill there, and another one there, look. Alright, so I'm just going to drill down through that spot weld there. I'm using a 6mm drill bit, so I'm going to try and fit a 6mm nut and bolt through here. So that's the two holes I've just drilled. So we'll go downstairs and have a look what that's left. Right, so pull that out of the way, get my mold grips on there, and we'll just bend off what we've got remaining, and away it goes. So that leaves our hole, and we'll be able to put a nut and bolt through there. I'll do the same there, and we should be good to go. All I've done down here now is put a bit of zinc primer on it, a bit of anti-corrosive primer for the bare metal. So we'll now go up and drop our bolts down through. Here's what I'm using. I'm just going to drop the bolt down through. It's just got a washer on him. Then underneath it'll have a big penny washer and then a nut. So here's the difficult bit now. We're going to try and, you're better off getting someone to help you, with someone up top. So I've got a big penny washer. I've had to use another small 6mm because I haven't got the right size. So that's actually an 8mm penny washer, but I'm putting a 6mm flat in there. And that is basically it. You'll probably need to get someone up the top now to hold that bolt. Oh, I'm way out of frame, and I didn't realise I was that far out of shot. That's a bit better. So we've got him there, and then we'll do the same over here on this one. That's the same there. Put my nollies on there. I can do them all. There we go. I may just cut that off with a angle grinder, but that's essentially the job done. Well, the OCD kicked in. I did cut the length of the bolts down, so I'll be able to sleep well tonight. Nice straightforward job that. I effectively drilled two holes, put a nut and bolt through with a big penny washer or a body washer, just to spread the load on that aluminium underneath. I'll give it a dusting with some zinc primer just to stop any corrosion. So my MLT man will be happy with that because it's in for MLT at the end of the week. If you want to see any other C3 Picasso videos, they should appear here in a link now. And if you found this video has been useful and it's been informative to you today, could you please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.